Namaste. It's Friday, May 12th, and today's yoga tip is all about pampering your hands and your arms, specifically your lower arms. We spend a lot of time using our hands, whether it be engaging in daily activities of daily living, brushing your teeth, washing your hands, washing dishes, caring for family members, caring for furry family members, working at the computer, being on your phone. This goes on and on and on. So the invitation today is to pamper yourself with a few self-massage techniques. So if the thought of massaging, self-massage, is not sitting with you, please scroll on, and I'm not offended in any way, shape, or form. Before we get started, I'll introduce myself. I'm Dawn. I practice yoga, and I empower professional business women over 40 who are feeling overwhelmed and most specifically burnt out to easily and quickly incorporate quick tools and tips into their daily lifestyle and to use yoga to move towards center and calm. Again, all you need is a minute to do yoga. You don't need to spend hours in the studio. So today's practice will be very quick. I'm going to demonstrate on one hand, and the invitation is to repeat the exercise on the other hand. To start, take your thumb and your forefinger, make a circle around your wrist, just above your wrist bones, so between your wrist bones and your thumb here, so right along here, and just take your fingers gently and slowly up and down, making sure you're breathing. And this might not feel good, and that's okay. Just maybe instead you can begin to take your thumb and your fingers and just massage that space, or maybe take your fingers along the side of your wrist. This particular exercise is a way to sort of lengthen the hand away from the lower arm, just to stretch the wrist a little bit. And moving into the palm of your hands, taking your thumb and beginning to massage the palm of your thumb. Massage your palm with your thumb. I can tell it's Friday. And again, take a deep breath in and exhale, settling into the practice. You can also take your fingers and massage in this space, this fleshy space between your thumb and your forefingers. There is an acupressure point right here at the base of where your thumb bone meets the first finger bone, way down here in the palm. So if you squeeze the fingers together, you might feel some tingling and maybe some release in other parts of your body. We're interlinked. All parts of the body are intertwined. And so you may find that you feel this release somewhere else in your body, and that's perfectly normal. So don't get freaked out about that. So continuing to massage your hand, you can do both sides. You can even take one palm and the knuckles of one hand. And then when you're ready, you can press your finger between each opening here, and then if it feels good, you can pull on your fingers and make circles. And you can make circles with, I'm having trouble talking today. I'm so sorry. Hand in a fist, circle one way, circle the other, fists and stars. Again, just stretching the hand out. And you can stop here, or you can go ahead and massage your lower arm. I'm taking my thumb and just squeezing along the lower arm here. This spot here can get tight, and if you have like hamstring or no, tricep challenges, you might feel it in your elbow, so you can explore massaging this muscle here. Again, whatever feels good to you, that's the invitation today. And again, this practice is as long or as short as you want it to be. You can do one piece, you can do all of the pieces, you can do it multiple times for the day. Again, you can always set your alarm at the top of every hour, and as you are walking around, if that's what you've decided to do, you can go ahead and add in a hand and arm massage. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have and you like the quick tips, I invite you to subscribe to and download my free guide for 5 1-minute yoga practices. The link will be in the comments. And if you already are interested in learning more about the group classes I have coming up, please drop an "I'm interested" in the comments and I will reach out. Be well, everybody, and I will see you all very soon.